The Porsche specialists at German tuner Techart will debut an even more impressive version of its GrandGT kit for the Panamera Sport Turismo at the upcoming Geneva Motor Show. Dubbed the GrandGT Supreme, this wagon combines an aggressive body with an opulent cabin compared to the standard GrandGT kit. This version has a similar front bumper design, but a new hood has a huge power bulge. Wider fenders and lower side sills broaden the wagon's stance. At the back, the diffuser appears to gain even larger strakes than the existing body kit. This wagon rides on Techart's 22-inch Formula 4 wheels with 5 sets of double spokes. Techart has powertrain upgrades that fit with this Sport Turismo's meaner look. The company's engine upgrade can push the Panamera Turbo to a ground-pounding 630 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, versus a stock output of 550 horsepower and 567 lb-ft. The upgrade pushes the wagon to 62 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds and to 124 mph in 8.3 seconds. In addition, the firm offers an exhaust with a mix of carbon fiber and titanium decorating the outlets. Inside, the Techart's GrandGT Supreme Sport Turismo features a cabin that would enjoy for a long-distance trip. The company sources vegetable tan Napa leather that lacks chromium, and there are no solvents in the finishing process. The wagon features these hides over the entire interior, including the footwells and door panels. As a visual flourish, their multicolor stitching decorates areas like the front seat bolsters, door panels, and portions of the rear bench. Such lavish upholstery would probably make this Panamera a poor choice for hauling the family or dogs, but it certainly is nice to look at.